after 40 minutes, andito na kami sa Roxas City. Yan. Parang mas matagal pa yung inupo namin sa... Cutie. So this is the wall pagkalabas na sa airport. Ay, hindi, pagkalabas na pala na aeroplano lang. So this is the arrival of the Roxas City Airport. Maliit lang pala. So where are we going, Hailey? We still have 1 hour left.